My name is Bill Simpson, and I'm the creator of Ducks Outdoors. The story began with trying to find a rocking chair that was actually comfortable. I looked around all over the place. I just could not find a comfortable rocking chair. I wanted to build the best rocking chair I possibly could, but wood just would not hold up. It doesn't hold up outdoors. So I came up with this material here. I did quite a bit of research. It's what all the yacht makers and boat builders make their outdoor decks from. Virtually maintenance free, never fades, never cracks, never splits. You don't have to sand it, you don't have to oil it. It's just a beautiful material and very low maintenance. Building this rocker has taken me 3 or 4 years now to really get it perfected. During that time, I would ask our guests who would come to Dream Rock Silo, hundreds of them, I would ask them to sit and give me their feedback. Ultimately, I got to the point where it was perfect. These chairs are designed for comfort. That was my beginning goal, and that was where I wanted to go all along, and that's what I have come up with. As far as I can tell, there's no one else that has anything like this. I invited a well-known physical therapist to come and inspect the chair, test the chair. I wanted to be sure that it was medically sound or therapeutic, and they sat in the chair, and this rocking chair, surprising to me, they said they were perfect already, that I didn't actually have to change anything. She said that the pelvic tilt was perfect and that the fact that the lumbar support was exactly where it needed to be. In fact, I was really proud when she offered to endorse the rocking chair, the lumbar support, and the comfort factor for me and put it in writing. So much of your time that you spend outdoors, you're with friends, and you want to be comfortable talking with friends and spend time with friends. Well, if you're constantly fidgeting and trying to get comfortable, you're not really enjoying yourself. This is true enjoyment, where you're not thinking about the chair you're sitting in, you're thinking about your friends and your family and enjoying that time with them. I hope people will enjoy this rocking chair with the spirit that I've made it. I want it to be the best possible rocking chair they ever have. You can always go to ducksoutdoors.com and find us there.